Oli, this is nice. Do you want that in our bedroom?
Only on your side.
Why?
If it falls, I don't want it to fall on my head. So only on your side if you like it. That's fine.
Good vibes only. It's a dream.
Very nice.
It's really beautiful. Look at the fan over there. I love how they put the fan like
Yeah.
Look at here. It's like a basket and they just then
Nice.
I love it. It's the same.
Yeah, almost.
What's this one?
Wow, it's the dishwasher. It's like assorted to the sink. This is also. I thought it was like a drawer. Look at that. I was thinking,
is so cool.
I was thinking like it's a drawer, and then I push it. Why?
What are you doing?
The most expensive, of course. This is the one I like. Will you offer me, please? Please.
I'm gonna
Can you
think
buy it
about
for
it.
me?
Hello.
No, no, it's wood.
Is that wood?
Yeah, it's wood. But I like the color. It's not like bang. It's not like white. It's different. This one is good for the house a bit lighter. Like put some light in the house.
I think it's too low. But it can be low if you hang the TV.
Yeah. Yeah, this one. This one.
This one for the TV.
A poussoir aussi. Grow up this way.
Beautiful.
It's portable. How much? For how much space? 110 and 150. It's quick and easy. Change the side of the keyboard to switch all different music to the extra diff. This one is the extendable part, otherwise the other one is this one. The right color and it's expandable on this side. Yeah, that's the right way. Now we put the table. I need to put mine.
It's gonna be a real Hulk. A real back. Oh, it will be a real back. Look, look at that.
I love this kind of bench.
Very nice.
I really like this kind of bench. You can put something over here. And it's always near a window. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, let's move on.
Don't do it at home. Side by side refrigerator. Stainless steel. Awesome. You have the freezer here and the fridge here.
I love this. I really love this lamp. I love this lamp.
This is another password. Look at.
Okay, it's really beautiful. I don't like it. No. This is a no for me. Okay, let's see the other one.
This small stuff. These are these ones.
This is beautiful.
Oh really?
For nice.
These are yeah. I just would prefer those ones, but
Why?
this is because I'm old. I'm an old guy, so I prefer like normal stuff. This one has fancy, so this is good for me. There is nothing to close. How do you think
What do you want to hide something? What do you
My
want to
stuff.
hide?
I want to hide my stuff. So you don't need to open it. Do not
Why?
open
But
it.
why?
Do not
This
open
is
it.
this is cheaper and it's good.
Take it
I
for
love
you if
it.
you want. There's nothing wrong with that. Take it. You love it, that's fine. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put myself inside, and you don't need to open it. I don't want you to open my stuff. Let's keep my stuff open.
What kind
closed.
of stuff?
You will see. I'm gonna show you like that and put it inside.
This is not normal.
You can put the lamp on this one on my side, and you have this one on your side. This is fine.
No,
I'm
if
okay
you want
with that. I
to
will
buy
sleep.
this one,
I
you
will
have to
sleep.
buy both.
Why?
For both of us.
We are not obliged to have the same door. We have the same.
But I want it to
nightstand.
be the same.
don't
Why
need
mine
to
will be
have the
19 and yours will be 69?
So it's just something about
It's
the
because
price.
of the
So
price,
take
I
an
don't want-
expensive one. I don't care.
I don't want it.
Take a much more expensive one. I don't care. I just want this fan. It's normal. It's the right stuff. It's good for me.
I don't want it.
can
I
put
want
the lamp,
this
whatever
one.
you want
It's
on it.
simple. It's cheap. I love this one. I'm gonna take both.
I don't want them on my side. If you take two, you're gonna put both of them on your side with your lamp on top.
There is no way I will do that. You don't love me anymore.
Because of a nice thing.
Yes.
That's fine. I'm okay with that.
I'm not okay. We will see. Let's go. I want this one.
What do you want to do with this stuff?
I don't know, just for decoration.
Okay, no problem.
How much is it?
35.
Ah, it's too much. Don't want it. I don't like it anymore.
Just the legs, normal legs.
Look, I think it's the mattress.
I think we have much more than the
The
mattress.
mattress is
No, I think we have cool stuff here. It's not only the mattress. I'm pretty sure, unless I'm wrong, but oh yeah, it's only the mattress.
yes, it's the mattress. Oh, and they have this.
One on top.
Oh wow!
It's huge.
There is so many ways to have a higher
Bed
bed.
like that. Yeah.
A higher bed. But I want our bed to be like this high. When I come, I will be like this.
And when you fall from very high.
Yeah, I know. Oh wow.
And there's a glass on top, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see?
Yeah. I would-
There is
yeah, that's true. Of the glass, yeah, some kind
Yes,
of glass.
because I love shoes. See that? This is perfect. I love it. Bye.
Bye, merci, au revoir.